Hey, it's Sarah from Color Class, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple lip options for springs out there. So if you are a spring, you're going to be a overall warm person. You're going to have warm hair, warm skin tone, usually warm eyes, and you also can be in the range from light to about a medium deep skin tone. Once you get past that medium deep, that's when you're going to start seeing those blue undertones. So you can be anywhere from light to about a medium deep. And then eye color is usually going to be on the warm side, so your greens, your hazels, browns, but you can also have blue flecks in there, but you're going to mostly see like a golden cast to those eyes. And then hair as well, it's going to be bright and golden and vibrant. Honey blondes, golden blondes, anywhere in that range, but you're also going to have a lighter hair color, so you can kind of get a depth and be able to wear the bright spring colors. So I wanted to just show you kind of an overall option of spring lip colors. It's going to be anywhere from the ranging of light all the way to like vibrant orangey reds. Now that's the key. Anything that you're going to pick up is going to have a yellow or a golden undertone to it. Usually the keywords that you're going to look for are things like warm, golden, yellow undertones. You're also going to hear things like apricot. Any type of warm descriptors when you're looking for lip colors is going to be perfect. I know when you're shopping online, you can just kind of see some of those descriptions out there and get a feel for if that shade is leaning warm or if it's leaning cool. Now, if it's leaning cool, go for more of a neutral, like glossy type of lip so your natural lip color can shine through. But I wouldn't recommend a cool lip color for you springs out there just because you have so much warmth and so much vibrancy. These warmer shades, like the orange shades, the nudes that have a lot of warmth to them, and then also you get to wear those vibrant reds that are orange based shades. So take a look at down below and just kind of get an idea and a feel for the shades that are going to really encompass the spring palette. Now, I also just a little trick, this works for blush as well. And then lastly, here are just some couple options. I know summer's coming up, so I wanted to give you some hydrating lip products that are more on the lines of a balm or a gloss. So the first one is the Summer Fridays one. This is an incredible color for you springs out there. It's the Lip Butter Balm and it's in the shade Poppy. Amazing color. It's still just gonna have hydration. It's gonna last. It's beautiful. And then next, the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, this kind of grapefruit color, perfect for springs. It has enough brightness, but it also has the warmth, so that's really what you're looking for. And then I had to add the YSL Love Shine Lip Oil, lipstick oil, I think. Beautiful color. I think it's an electric love. Oh, this one is so stunning. It's pink, but it also has a warm base. It's beautiful on springs out there. It kind of lets your undertone shine through of your natural lip color. So this one is perfect for you. Now, over on our YouTube page, we always get asked for drugstore options, which I absolutely love. And the Maybelline Super Stay, I think it's the vinyl ink. That one is gorgeous. And I wanted to give you guys like a brighter red. I always think of like Cameron Diaz. You know, when you see her, she's the golden blonde, warm skin tone, and she always wears that orange based red. This is kind of the look that you would get with this color. It's in the shade Red Hot. And I mean, what else can you say other than it's red hot? And then lastly, just another quick option that falls within the drugstore category is Revlon, the Color Stay Cruise Collection. Now you can see with all of these, they have that warm yellow based undertone. That's what you're looking for if you are a warmer season. And then you can also pull off a lot of brightness, but if you're just going for a neutral lippy, that's cool too. It's amazing how you can kind of go from light to bright and it works beautifully within your palette. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if there are any other brands that you want to see broken down into seasons. Lastly, I'm Sarah. We would love to have you come on over to our Color Class YouTube channel. We talk everything about color analysis, and we learn how to manipulate colors to be best for us and what will look good based off our hair color, our skin tone, and our eye color. So I hope to see you over there.